Good morning, students. Today we will read the chapter number 2 of your EVS book, Term Pack 1. The title of this chapter is Our Houses. Let's start. We all live in houses. We all live in houses. Our house gives us shelter and keeps us safe. Our house gives us shelter, safe place, and keep us safe. But there was time very long ago when people had no houses. But very long ago, people had no houses. They wandered around like animals and slept in trees, caves, and so on. When the people they didn't have houses, they moving here and there like animal and slept under the tree and caves. Later they learned to build houses with wood, stone, mud, leaves, and animal skin. And after few times they learn how to build a house. And early time people made houses with wood, stone, mud, leaves, etc., and animal skin also. Today people build different kinds of houses, but now people build many kinds of houses. Some are big, some are small, some have one floor or story, while some have many floors. But now these days people build many houses, some big, some small kind of houses. Kacha house. This is the kind of house, a kacha house. A kacha house is usually made of mud, bamboo, wood, hay, leaves, and so on. A kacha house is made of mud and bamboo, a kind of grass, wood, and hay is also dry grass, leaf, etc. It is not very strong. A kacha house is a very weak. It's not very strong. We see more kacha houses in village. We can able to see these types of kacha houses in villages. Pakka house. Pakka houses are made of bricks, stone, blocks joined together with a paste of cement and sand. A pakka house is a strong house. It is made of bricks and stones. They are strong and last for a long time because it is strong, so its life is very long. Often metal rods are used to make the houses stronger, because in a pakka house is made of metal rods and cements and bricks, so that it is very strong. Most houses in a town and cities are pakka house. In a towns and cities, almost houses are pakka houses. Flat. In towns and cities, many people live in tall buildings with many floors. Each floor has one or more houses. Each of these houses is called a flat. In a big cities, because there is a shortage of land, so there are made many floors buildings. This is called the flat. And a 1 and 2 floors, every floors have other families living. Movable house. Some kinds of houses can be moved from one place to place. Some kinds of movable houses means we can easily move on one place to another. Some places People leave large tent. A tent can be moved easily. It is made of very light thing like cloth, ropes and wooden poles. Some places people are live in a large tent. Tent can easily move because it is made of clothes and plastic sheets, and sometimes used ropes and also wooden poles, so it can move easily. It can be taken down easily and put up somewhere else because it's a very lightweight, so it is movable. We can move easily it. A carvings is a house on wheel. You can move it from place to place. A carving house is like a car, like a bus. This house is made on wheels. Like a car and like a bus, we can move easily whenever you want to. A houseboat is house built over a boat. A houseboat is built over a boat. It can move on water like a boat. It can move like a boat on water. The pictures below show the houseboat. Finish coloring and pictures. Find out where you might see these kinds of moving houses. This is a moving house, movable house, houseboat. And Dal Lake in Srinagar and Jammu and Kashmir, we can able to find this stuff of houses. So your chapter is finished now, and everybody color in this boat. Thank you. Have a nice day.